We're out with Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul Gray, y'all seen him on some of the videos. It's his birthday today. He is 50 years old. Doesn't he look?
I wish.
Oh, that made Errol about die. He almost choked. Oh. We are at the reef, and Silas was wanting to eat blackened mahi. So we made him get a burger. So I ordered the blackened mahi and a dozen oysters. I told Silas if he ate a raw oyster, he could have all of the mahi he wanted off of my plate. So here he goes. Silas's first raw oyster. Silas's first raw oyster right here. You ready? Oh, you got a cracker already? Let me get him set up. So all he has is a little bit of oyster on a cracker.
So fresh, so delicious.
All right, here you go, son. Take it in your hand, son.
Put it all in your mouth at once.
All at once. Take a big bite.
Come on.
Chew it up. Chew it up.
Boy, that's good.
Tell us what you think about it.
Yeah, eat it. You did it. Yeah, eat it. You made it.
You like it?
Awesome.
He ain't swallowed it yet. Are you good?
You good? You're awesome.
Swallow it. Is it down? Swallow it down the hatch.
Give him proof. Give him proof he swallowed it.
You gotta swallow it, man.
Drink the water and swallow.
Swallow it and go.
Look at the camera.
Show the world.
Wow. Awesome.
Only 6-year-old I know that eats raw oysters. Good job, bud. It's gross. What?
I almost threw up. In the meantime.
Hey everybody, I'm Shane Mason. There's Silas. There's JR and Josh over there. Fishing the South, and what's your channel?
Mississippi Salt.
Mississippi Salt. We're out here at the mouth of the Pascagoula River fishing for some sheephead around Ingalls. Hopefully we'll catch some. Y'all stay tuned.
Josh already caught one.
Yeah, Josh caught one. You catch one, Si.
We'll have to put it back.
Yeah.
Knock this away.
Get him, buddy.
Get him, Si. Oh.
Under the boat, right?
Oh, it's a white trout.
Oh my goodness. All of that effort for a white trout?
It's a giant white trout.
It is a good sized white trout.
I'm gonna keep him.
Hold him up. Hold him up for the camera,
At
bud.
least I caught a fish.
Yeah, at least you're beating me. I did too.
Oh.
Hold him up. Good job, bud.
Can we keep him?
Huh?
Can we keep him?
No, I'm not cleaning fish today.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, I need that.
No, you wait. No, you don't.
Can I get another shrimp?
I took his.
Yeah, Silas stole mine. Yeah, well, I wasn't even rolling.
It's a baby sheep.
You got him, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a baby sheephead.
All right.
You're gonna open the water. If I'm just gonna catch a sheep's head.
He may be 12 inches though.
Dad, you're
Huh? Yeah, just like you were saying though, Josh, right under the chin. Up.
Silas.
There we go.
No, sheep plus
Oh,
fish.
something hit it as I was reeling it up.
No, Dad, that was my finger.
Oh, well, quit touching my rod.
No, you got him.
Josh, get him in,
Look
Josh.
at your head. Don't look over here. Don't look over here, okay?
What?
Don't look over here.
It's a small one, it's a little one. A small one. Dad, you know what that
We must be in the dinks thick over here.
Oh no, I'm doubled up. Someone grab a rod. Grab a rod.
I want to grab a rod. I want to grab a rod. I wanted a rod. I wanted to grab a rod.
One white trout right here.
I wanted to grab a rod.
And another white trout. Alright, we are using this.
What time is it?
I don't know.
2:10. We gotta go. Gotta go.
Oh, gotta go?
Yeah, 2:10.
Oh, you're a lucky day.
We gotta be at the ball field on the other side of Long Beach at 3:45.
I thought it's forward.
Your game's at 4. We gotta be there at 3:45.
Wow.
That's gonna be all of it for today, guys. Really short video, I know, but it's the end of January and we've had less than 2 hours to fish, and it hadn't been a good day fishing.
No, it has not.
It was a good day. What?
Well, it's a good day. Any day is a good day to fish.
Exactly.
But it wasn't a great day of catching.
Fish.
I mean, I got some fish. I don't know.
I mean, Josh was the hero of the day.
I got fish
I caught a white trout.
Yeah, we caught fish. We caught fish.
I was
But
in second place.
I'm not sure how much my video. I'm not sure how much my camera actually videos.
Second
So.
place. I was in
But-
second place.
Hope you enjoyed it. The little video that it may end up being. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mason Boys Outdoors. Subscribe to Fishing the South. Subscribe to
Mississippi salt.
Mississippi Salt. That is JR, the super celebrity himself. Thanks for watching. Always remember, catch a mess and leave the rest. God bless you. We'll see you on the next video.